So we have a customer that we're doing preventive maintenance appointments for. We use the service contracts entity to create each one of these individual appointments automatically for us. Now it's time for us to run what's called a PM batch, or a preventive maintenance batch. So the system will create the certain quantity of cases that we'd like. You could imagine a scenario where you have one particular account that has an unlimited number of future preventive maintenance appointments. We could set the system to automatically create every one of those items as a case, but then you could potentially have an unlimited number of cases, which would really bog down your cases entity. So what we're going to do is close this and go to our PM batches entity under the service grouping, and I'll select new to prepare a new PM batch. So this operates a lot like the billing engine inside of Alert Stratus, where I'll say it's going to be perhaps my monthly PM batch. So you might want to start by identifying when you're going to be running this PM batch. I can put in a cutoff date, so the last date that we'd like to create these PM batches up until. I'll select August 31st. Next step is going to be to save this batch, and then just like when we're doing our billing, I'm going to prepare the batch. So this will take some time, and I can check out the status over here. And what the system's going to be doing is taking a look at every single one of our service contracts in the system and seeing what has scheduled preventive maintenance appointments that need to be generated as cases between this cutoff date and today. So now I can see my batch is complete. I can go over here to my contract PMs to see what cases will be created. Here I see I have two different appointments that are going to be created. I can go back to my batch, and now that I'm happy with those two items, I'm going to click here to post that batch. And it's at this stage that it's going to post the batch, and it'll take each one of those appointments and create them in the form of a case. So now that this PM batch has been posted, I can close out of this and go to my cases entity. I'll select my active cases, and now I can see that I've created these three individual cases from using that PM batches tool. So as you can see, it's a much better way to be able to create the certain quantity of cases that we wish, so we're not creating an unlimited number of cases that'll really bog down our system.